Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility. Make sure your return shows the Netfile indicator in your software, and you have your SIN and last year's NOA on hand. Once done, enable two-step verification on your CRA My account if you haven't. This protects your submission and reduces rejection risk. Next, open the certified tax software and select Netfile as your filing method. This step starts the secure electronic path to CRA. Don't linger on setup. Move directly to preparing your return. You now focus on completing the return accurately. Fill personal data, income lines, deductions, and any schedules relevant to your situation. Then run the software's validation tool. It catches common mistakes such as missing SIN digits or mismatched totals, so fix those errors now to avoid CRA rejection. Once validated, confirm your refund or balance owing and opt for direct deposit by entering your banking info. This speeds up refunds. Make sure totals match your source documents to keep the submission clean. You're ready to submit. Press the Netfile Submit button in your software and immediately save the CRA confirmation number and the dated PDF of your return. If CRA rejects it, don't panic. Read the rejection message, note the CRA error code, correct the exact fields called out, then resubmit. Often a single numeric typo or missing digit is the issue. Finally, store the confirmation and your NOA when received. If something goes wrong later, that documentation proves you filed on time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.